Get some more beer, eh, boys?
Man, there were so many hot chicks at that party.
Yeah.
Yeah, too bad they ran out of brews. Now the party's over.
It's a bodega. Shit, we're close. Should we grab some breakfast while they wait for them to open, huh?
Yeah.
Bad.
Oh, hey, what's up? Want to get some pizza?
You wish, turkeys.
Tally ho!
What the is wrong with you, dude?
Here we go. There you go, Dylan. Open sesame.
Yes, here we go again, give you more, nothing lesser. Back on the mic is the antidepressant. And rock, no pressure, yes, we need this. The best is yet to come in, yes, believe this. Let go my echo, while I flex my ego. Sip on Prosecco, dressed up tuxedos in my coffin playing Keno. In the casino, want a lucky number, ask Mike Dino.
I'm on a competition like a flamethrower. My rhymes age like wine as I get older. I'm getting bolder, competition is waning. I got the ball and I see the lane in. We got a party on the left, a party on the right. We on a party for the left and right to fight. Make some noise if you with it. Make some noise if you with it.
Resurrection, popular election, get paid every year like tax collection. Hear my perfection, rotary connection, taking MCs down by lethal rap injection.
When I get pissed, you want to drink, it's easy lift the drink and you got lifted. Head sifted, I'm just ripping when I catch MCs, it's time for wing clipping.
I fly like a hawk, or better yet an eagle, a seagull, sniff suckers out like a beagle. My ego is off and running and going, cause I'm about the best and if you're testing that's wrong.
We got a party on the left, a party on the right. We got a party for the mother right to fight. Make some noise if you with it. Make some noise if you with it. The brain is crazy. This is crazy. Pass me the scalpel, I'm making this